I want to introduce you to Snowfox Skincare. It's a beautiful brand. It was originally Australian, it's now global. Founder Phoebe has done an incredible job with it. And now Phoebe's story is that she had really bad rosacea. So that would result in breakouts, redness, sensitivity, and it really took a beating on her self-confidence. She was originally of Taiwanese descent, so she went back to Taiwan and spoke to some cosmetic chemists, and they actually created a skincare line based on her skincare profile. So these products are extremely good for sensitive skins, but she's actually really developed them so they're perfect for any skins. They're really cutting edge in terms of innovation. Now, we actually profiled Phoebe and interviewed her on Beauty Kate this week. I'll link to the story, but I want to show you a few of my favourites. So the lavender and coconut range is just beautiful. Now this is a cleansing oil. It's very light. This just goes on like a dream. Everything washes and rinses off beautifully. There's no residue left on the skin, but it's still very hydrating. I love this biphase lavender and coconut essence. It's got like a ceramide rich coconut milk that sits on top, and then you give it a shake, and that actually blends with the hyaluronic acid. It's also got French lavender, vitamin B5 and malachite. This is the lavender and coconut sleeping mask. So good if your skin is having some kind of meltdown. So this is the Saki Ferment and Retinol Night Renewal Cream. Now this is one of those retinols that is safe for even the most sensitive skin. So I'll put a link to the story so you can check it out for yourself.